Okay, I'm doing prompt A, mitosis in action. The question asked is what specific conditions do I think are necessary for mitosis to happen successfully? So, um, I think so. Mitosis it creates new cells, and if I remember correctly, in previous lectures, the teacher was talking about um, that creating new cells require a lot of energy, a lot of ATP. So obviously, we're gonna need building blocks, you know, ingredients to create ATP. Um, that's gonna be sugar, glucose, amino acids, stuff like that. And also, if we want to use ATP, to create energy, we're gonna need oxygen. So I think so these nutrients and oxygen. So be in a place where you can get enough oxygen. Is important. I also think um, just regular temperature is important because when you're in a cold place, um, or if the body gets cold, the cellular activities are going to be slower. So that's not ideal. So you want normal, body temperature environment. And also, um, I think you need to be hydrated for the cells to maintain its I guess shape. It's kind of like volume. Um, so I think those are all important. Those are all necessary for ideal conditions to for mitosis. I also think the balance of these nutrients and oxygen is also very important. So that's my hypothesis, is that these ingredients and the balance. And a real world example that I could think of to support this hypothesis is diabetes. So I have a friend who's diabetic, and I was talking with him. He was talking about how diabetes can slow healing, the wounds, and I looked it up, and it says um, the high blood sugar can damage blood vessels, and that can reduce oxygen delivery to the cells and also nutrient delivery to the cells. So I think in a way that supports my hypothesis because too much sugar uh, can interfere with mitosis. So that's the balance I was talking about. You need glucose, obviously, but not too much. Too much is never good. So, yeah, that is my thoughts on mitosis. Thank you very much.